What do you expect from your refrigerator? Faster cooling, time saving, or better stability? Why not all? With the J-Tech inverter, that's possible. The J-Tech inverter in Sharp refrigerators has a high rotation speed, which cools your food quicker. This also means that you save more energy. Further, it also saves energy by maintaining a low rotation speed during minimal usage. In the case of voltage fluctuation, the conventional inverter gets exposed to a high level of stress. The set temperature for J-Tech inverter neither goes very high nor dips too low. This minimizes fluctuation, damage, and power consumption. With J-Tech inverter, sustainability and low maintenance are the keywords. It's time to opt for more. More performance, more savings, more goodness, more cooling. Sharp. Be original.